Welcome YouTube, and today I will show you how you can create a Python virtual environment in Mac. Okay, why we create a virtual environment? We create a virtual environment to have an isolated environment for our development and testing of Python application. Now we don't want to install packages on our system's Python, and that's why we need an isolated environment. Also, we want to have a clear understanding of what dependencies our application is using. Okay, so let's create the virtual environment. First, we need to check what are the packages that are installed on our machine. So let's do pip3 list. Okay, we can see that the virtual env package which is required for virtual environment is not installed. So let's install it. Pip3 install virtual env. Okay, so we get an error, and the error is permission denied. And if you read the error, it also tells us the solution. It says that dash user needs to be added. So let's add dash user. And now virtual env is installed. So if we check pip3 list again, we can see that the virtual env is installed. Now to create a virtual environment, we need to run the command python 3 -m venv and the environment name. Let's say env1. Okay. Now this will create a folder and install the most important packages in it. So if we do ls, we can see that new folder with env1 name is created. Let's activate this environment. So we can do source env1 bin and activate. Okay, and now you can see that env, we are inside the env1. If we do pip list here, we can see that there are only two packages, and the system packages are all alone. Okay, so they are independent of these two. Now if let's say I quickly install numpy here, pip install numpy, so this package will be installed only in the virtual environment, and it has nothing to do with the systems packages. Okay, let's check. And you can see that only numpy is added to my packages list. Similarly, I can also check which Python to see that the Python which I am using in this environment, env1, is also from this same environment. Okay, and if I do python -v, then I can see that it is 3.6.8. Okay, so if I deactivate to go out of this environment, I can do deactivate. And now if I do pip3 list, I can see that I have my own packages, and numpy was also installed in this one. So this was 1.16.2, and the one which I installed in my environment is 1.19.1. Okay, similarly we can also enable it by doing source env1 bin activate again, and we will so I need to add r. Okay, and we can do pip list again, and we can see that the same three packages are installed. We can do deactivate, and we are back to the system environment, and now we can get rid of, once we are done with the environment, we can get rid of it, and we are left with our own Python, system Python. Okay, so I think that's good enough for this video. So I hope you will create a virtual environment for any of your future work, or it can be very helpful for the new starters to start using virtual environment instead of using the systems Python. So that's enough. And if you like the video, please subscribe and give a thumbs up to the video and stay tuned for the future video. Bye.